Once upon a time, in a meadow far, far away, lived a little horse named Sassafras. Sassafras was not like other horses. He was small, but his spirit was big. One sunny day, Sassafras saw a group of horses playing near the river. They were laughing and splashing water everywhere. Sassafras wanted to join them, but he was too small to cross the river on his own. Feeling a bit sad, Sassafras walked towards the riverbank. Suddenly, he heard a whisper, "Don't be afraid, Sassafras. You have a special gift." Sassafras looked around, but he couldn't see anyone. He shrugged and decided to believe the voice. Closing his eyes, he took a deep breath and jumped into the river. To his surprise, he could swim. With a big smile on his face, Sassafras swam across the river and joined the other horses. They were amazed by his bravery and welcomed him with open hooves. They played, laughed, and splashed water together until the sun set. From that day on, Sassafras was no longer known as the small horse. He was known as the brave little horse who didn't let his size define him. He taught everyone that no matter how small you are, you can achieve great things if you believe in yourself. As the moon rose, Sassafras returned to his meadow, tired but happy. He lay down under the starry sky and fell asleep, dreaming of more adventures tomorrow. Good night, dear readers. Remember to be brave like Sassafras.